What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some true wireless magnetic speakers. This is the model VFBS01D10. Since there's nothing on the box, let's just open it right up. Oh nice, oh those look pretty cool. Oh, that's kind of cool. We got some cables, we got more cables, and we have instructions, and that's it. Okay, like a 1.5 foot USB to dual micro USB, about 3.5 foot, 3.5 millimeter jack cable. Instructions, we may need the instructions because this is a very different speaker than I've looked at before. First off, you can see that it's got this crazy looking cocoon-like rubber casing for it. You can take them out of the case completely because this is just for safekeeping if you want to keep them both together and you want to use them as one, or you can take it off like this. Oh, there we go. Man, that is thick too. Wow, that'll keep them safe. But there we go. That's what they look like. They're these little cocoon speakers. Oh, wow, they are magnetic. Very cool. They just pop together. Now, it does run off of Bluetooth 4.2, so it should get pretty good signal. 33 feet or so, it should be the range. Because it has a better connection, hopefully these will have a real good sync. They're supposed to sync up just right, so when you have them separated and you're using them like this, they should be in sync, so you shouldn't hear some kind of weird out of sync audio. It is compatible with pretty much anything that is Bluetooth or has a 3.5 millimeter jack on it. They do have built-in microphone that's somewhere probably in here. I'm not sure what size speakers these are. I don't know if there's dual, but I think it's just one speaker each, but they're saying that it has deep bass, plus it'll get you about 12 hours of playtime playing at medium volume. So obviously the more power you use, the more power it's gonna drain. And it is IPX5 waterproof, which means that you don't wanna go swimming with it, but it will survive some water. Also, it is dust resistant. So if you're at the beach or something like that, that's a good thing. You've got your power button, then you've got your micro USB port and your 3.5 millimeter jack. That looks like an LED light, and I believe that's gonna be the microphone. You can play them like this, where they're, you have a left and right, or you put them at two different ends of a room. You can put them together, or you can actually play it individually. Okay, cool, so let's power it on. I'm gonna power them both on at the same time, and they should connect automatically.
Power on. Left channel connected. Right channel connected.
Cool. Okay, so that's the right channel. This is the left channel. We'll go like this. Awesome. All right, let's hear it. So there it is right there, the Riodo VF.
Bluetooth connected.
So that's the main unit. So the main unit is the left. Interesting. Okay. They are perfectly in sync. That is straight up surround sound right in my ears. I feel like I'm wearing headphones. That sounds good. And now they're not super loud, at least not with this song, but they are definitely in sync for sure. I like these. There we go. I've synced up multiple speakers before to each other and they weren't that in sync. These are spot on. They got good bass. They got a little bass to them. That is a full vibrant sound that I'm hearing. I mean, even though they're just right here, they sound really, really good. Oh, it's so weird. I literally feel like I have speakers next to my ears right now. That is such a cool effect. Wow, I'm really impressed. Okay, let's try Rhett and Link. Let's hear the clarity.
This week on Good Mythical Morning, Post Malone is helping us turn nursery rhyme.
These are really good. All right, man, I'm really impressed. I'm actually really impressed. These little speakers sound fantastic. I'm gonna try a little bass boost. I'm gonna turn it down because I don't want to blow these speakers. They're really nice. I'm telling you, that is such a cool feeling, having the surround sound right here in my hands. That is so awesome. It sounds great. It sounds really good. Sounds really good. really good. It's not bad by itself. They're not really, really loud, but they don't really need to be. Well, I'm in a small, kind of, you know, quiet environment, thus the sound foam. They may not be the best for like a very large room, but if you want some good ambient music, that's not gonna be overpowering. Maybe you're having a little get together, but you still wanna talk. These would be good too. I mean, they're not bad at all. Okay, so now that this one's already on, what happens if I turn this on? Can I?
Left channel connected.
Oh.
Right channel connected.
Cool, so they just automatically... Oh, I'm liking that. Here's another question. I want to see if I can connect, if I can use them both individually from each other. That would be really cool. Okay, so that one's connected here. I like this. It works. I got them both connected to two different things. That is so awesome. All right. Let's see what Jesse's up to. Jesse's been a stranger lately. Okay, is it ringing on this one? No, it's only ringing on the right one.
What up?
Bruh.
Am I on the Unbox Junkie?
You were on it.
Oh, I've got conjunctivitis right now.
Conjunctivitis, yes.
Well, yeah. Well, hello, junkies. It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Can the junkies hear me?
The junkies can't hear you. You're on a speaker right
You
now.
can't hear me. Well, hello, junkies.
It does sound like I'm on a thing. Is it clear though?
Yeah, it's clear enough.
Cool. Now they're about 60 bucks and they don't feel cheap considering what you're getting out of this. Quality material, definitely quality sound. I'm really actually kind of shocked at the surround sound that I'm getting from these little things. It really does feel kind of bizarre. If you were here, you would be like,
whoa, that's crazy.
Volume-wise, again, the volume, it doesn't get super loud. It's not entirely too loud. It's a good level of volume to enjoy your music and still be able to, you know, communicate around you. And the little cocoon thing, just to keep them a little more secure, that's kind of cool, you know, if you're gonna go on a trip or, you know, take them to the beach or just hang out by the pool or something. Keep them together. The highs and the mids, they're actually really good. With Rhett and Link, everything sounded really clear, and especially with that, you know, left and right signal playing at the same time, it sounded really, really good. Bass-wise, it does have a good deep bass, they're not lying. Both highs and mids, I'm gonna say are 8s. Not a bad 8 though, very good, very close to 9. The bass, I'll say it does have a nice clarity to it, so it doesn't overpower the highs and mids. I'll give that an 8 too, so overall sound quality, a good 8. All right guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. As usual, you guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.